What is Azure Databricks? Azure Databricks is a cloud-based data analytics platform built on Apache Spark. It is designed to process and analyze large volumes of data quickly and efficiently. It brings together data engineering, data science, and analytics into one unified platform, making it easier for teams to collaborate and build data-driven solutions. At the core of Azure Databricks is Apache Spark, a powerful engine that enables fast, distributed data processing for big data workloads. So why do organizations use Azure Databricks? First, to handle large-scale data processing that traditional tools simply cannot manage. Second, to build data pipelines, both ETL and ELT, that move and transform data reliably. Third, to perform advanced analytics and machine learning at scale. And fourth, to unify data, AI, and analytics all in one place, removing the need for multiple disconnected tools. In simple terms, Azure Databricks helps organizations turn raw data into valuable insights faster and more efficiently than ever before. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.